So what's happened is this handle has pulled through there. So I'm going to block down. Not good. New ones arrived this morning from our friends at Amazon. I measured it, made sure the screw holes were in the right place. Let's see how we get on. The box full of bits here, not sure what they all are, don't know if we need them. Oh, various things, yeah, we'll soon sort it out. There's 3 different bars included, but the one that's in is significantly longer. But there's no reason why I can't use that on this. It does fit, I've tried it. Screws are on the internal side, obviously. So here's what it looks like without the handle on. And here's the actual handle. This is the one that's broken. The old spindle actually goes into the door handle, so it's quite long. The new one has got this around it, and it's not very deep. The whole thing turns, but it doesn't go into the handle. The spindle doesn't go into the handle. I'm giving it a bit of a clean up. A teacup, which is really good at cleaning up PVC. So it's good for your windows, good for your doors. Any little marks, brings them up like new. The old spindle, which I thought I would need, is actually far too long. But the longest of the new spindles isn't long enough. The longest of the new spindles only just protrudes from this side. So what I've done is look through that. I've just measured how far the spindle goes into the door handle, and then put a pencil mark around so I can measure it against the old spindle and saw it off. So that's that to this spindle. I need to add that amount on, which is there. So if I saw this one off at that mark, it'll give me the extra length I need, hopefully, fingers crossed. Here's the sawn off one. Let's see if it's the right length. The old door handles had a screw that went through the door from one handle to the other. The new ones need this little bit adding on. So screw that onto there. And one at the bottom, obviously. And that will fit onto there. Perfect. And the screw will go through there. And there we go. Perfect. Great. Thanks for watching. Give it the odd thumbs up and subscribe if you want. Cheers.